Hello, Paul here from EMD. Just want to go through this Volkswagen Amarok here. This is the one that we done the booster, the vacuum leak, a lot of stuff was done for this car here. So we pulled the calipers off I think 2 weeks ago, and we just hadn't had a chance to get to it. So but what I found on this one was actually when I took the calipers out, I tried to actually use compressed air to press push the actual caliper out. All 4 calipers are stuck inside there and didn't even move at all. Nothing, couldn't even get it to move at all, just stuck. So before I actually I rang up the place for the seal. They didn't have it in stock, so while I'm waiting for the seal to come, I wanted to make sure that they're not stuck there because they haven't moved for a long time, because the actual brake booster, the brake booster on this car here didn't actually the brake booster wasn't working properly. So it must have something to do with the actual caliper not moving for a long time, still sitting on the same spot, and something really, you couldn't even push it out. You couldn't even push the booster down to actually make the caliper clamp the brake disc in. So what I've done, I actually pushed all the pistons right out, cleaned them all, and push them all, and then put them all back together. And then now the actual brake is back to normal. All the brakes now is back to normal, like a normal car. So we bleed the system out, and now we actually bleed the actual the brake fluid, and now we can start the car up. Start up. So see that before the other mechanic inside the car will hit the brakes as hard as he can, and I can still move the brake disc. Okay, hit the brakes. See, now it doesn't even move at all, and we're not even hitting the brakes as hard as we can, just touching it like a normal touch, and everything's working properly. So I don't think we're gonna actually put the wheels on later on and tomorrow, and we're gonna actually double check for any leaks from the actual calipers. Off, 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 on. Can't even move it. Back to normal. Right, turn it off. So yeah, so everything's pretty much. We'll try the back one as well. Start up. Yep. On. Off. On. So pretty much everything's working properly how it should be, because pretty much the caliper was just sitting on the same spot, nothing was happening. You can tell, but actually look in the disc. If you look at the disc here, the brake's never been on the actual caliper on the brake disc. The brake pad's never been on the brake disc properly. You can see it, but the actual nothing's been happening. So now the brake's working, so we're gonna pretty much leave it there and go from there. I'll double check tomorrow the actual banjo bolt for any leaks, because everything was stripped out, and then we'll go from there. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.